Let's take a look at the library. We have a really neat library here that makes it easy to search for our assets. We can search for any of the assets we need to create our videos. We can search for the templates. We can search for images, for videos, for music, for pretty much anything. So let me show you to start searching for templates. Let's assume you're starting and you don't really have anything but real estate video, and you have those videos. And let's say you've got those videos in your video creation center. All you have to do is point at video creation center as your folder, and you can do an immediate search for templates. And see there, you've got 24 templates at this time, and there they are. You can look at the templates, you can play them, you can see what they look like, you can watch them all the way through, you can read them. If they have sound, you can listen to that. And then you can select the template you want to use. Let's say you don't want to look for templates. Let's say you just want to look for videos, and you want to look for videos that have a primarily blue kind of a background. Well, you can do that too. And this will show you videos, mostly background videos and pre-keyed videos that have blue in their keyword. When I created these videos and these assets, I created them giving careful thought to the library function. So again, you can take a look at these assets and you can see what it is, and if you want, you can add that to your project. This video is a pre-keyed asset. So this actually is a video background that was used for one of the templates, but I gave you a blank pre-keyed asset as well, so you can apply your text without having to go through the trouble of inserting the other assets. This includes a background video asset. It includes a transparent image of this man who's coming in off the side, and a chat bubble. So those are three assets I rolled into one just to make it a little bit easier to create some videos. And there are a lot of those pre-keyed assets. And again, blue is a key word. So that's how the library works. So the library is very, very cool. I may go to another folder where I have lots of assets and I've combined different kits from different vendors. And one of my favorite kits is a neon kit. And let's say I want to search for all media files that are templates relating to this neon. It may take a moment to load, but you can see I have 95 templates using these neon assets. And this is very, very cool. There's some very, very neat assets here. Look at this one. This is very cool. I can drill down even more in the library. Again, I can drill down for pictures, anything else that I want. Let's take a look at my cartoony stuff. I think the keyword used there is primarily toon. There we go. And I have a lot of toon assets. So the neat thing about working with Easy Video Lab and watching it grow as a community and a product is to watch the product developers as they develop new kits. And what you will find is that most of the names of assets and the asset naming convention is very, very consistent, and it is keyworded so that assets become easy to find. They are easily discoverable using the library and the search function. And that is very, very cool. So learn how to use this library. And as you add your own materials to the files behind the library, take a little bit of care and keyword your own files so that you can find them easily later when it's time to use them. I have amassed thousands, tens of thousands of assets from the public domain across many, many websites. And I have images and videos and all sorts of things. And when you download them with the original file name. And as I grow and create more and more videos and start to use sets of assets, I've been taking time to go in and re-keyword those before I add them to my video creation center. And that has been an enormous time saver. All right, so we're going to close the library now and get on to our next video.